Hello folks, welcome to another video we are excited to share with you, as today we will enable you to earn up to $100 per hour. Yes, you have heard it right. One of the websites which we'll be sharing with you have paid up to $43 million to 20,000 registered members, and the other one is around since 2008. So if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notifications, as we really don't want you to miss out on any of videos. Well, you must have heard people talking about earning money online by watching videos, filling out surveys, or playing games. And you would be like, hey, how is even that possible? Well, yes, it's true. Today, we at Unknown Spot will do a walkthrough which will enable you to start making money online. So stay with us till the end and start making the promised $100 per hour. So folks, the first website which we'll be sharing with you is Swingbox.com. They claim that they have already paid up to $43 million to around 20,000 registered members. They have various earning options such as you can watch ads, you can watch YouTube videos, you can complete offers such as surveys or voting, and you can also do an affiliate program. So let me walk you through the whole process of becoming a registered member. First, click on the register button here and fill out your details such as put your full name, your username, your password, and the email address you want to register. They will send you an email and a valid activation code. Verify it, and once you are done, log into your account in swigbucks.com, and ta-da! Now you are all set to make money. So once I log into my account, this is my new account, so the balance is really low. I just logged into it today. So if I click on this earn money tab and I select viewing ad as my option, so here are so many options that I can go for. If I go for fixed advertisements, that gives me like some sense out of it. I just click it. This opens up into a new tab. You can see this green bar filling up. You have to wait for it to fill it up so your view can be counted, and once it's done, it will show you that click the upside down picture, and upside down picture is this Shrek's one. So I click on it, and now my view has been counted and the money has been added to my account. So if I click here, so I can go back to my dashboard, to my account. So this is my account, and see, the money has been added. And now is the time to share the second site with you, which I was talking about as one of the oldest sites still paying legit money to its registered members. And this site is Newbucks.com. This website is around since 2008, and you can earn money by watching video ads, you can play games there, and they have a fantastic affiliate program. Now let me do a walkthrough for you guys. So let's get started over the registration process. So you have to click on this button, register, and then it will ask you username, the password, your email, the referral link, the referral username you will provide, your birth year, and the verification code, and you hit the continue button. They will send you a verification code on your email address, and once you are done, you have to log in into your account. Once you have logged in into your account, it will open up this dashboard. You can see there are some advertisements here. You can go down and you can click on one of this advertisement. You have to click the image button, and it will open up and once the advertisement is opened, you have to just wait till it says that your view has been validated and the particular amount has been added into your account. Once you are done with it, you just go close it and open the other one. And there are some other options by which you can make money, such as surveys. You can see there are so many surveys here by which you can make a lot of money. Survey time, your surveys, opinion lab. So there are so many. And then there are some games that you can play for you earn money. So it's minimum play time is needs to be 2 minutes. You can play less but you won't be credited, and up to 100 game sessions per 24 hours. You can play more but you won't be credited after surpassing the limit. So you can have 100 game sessions, and then rest of the things are just usual. So let me take you back to my newbucks.com dashboard, and here the ad which I saw just in this new account. You can see I have earned up to this much amount of money. Well, if you liked today's video, press the like button, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. Also share this video with your friends who are struggling to earn money or stuck in a 9 to 5 job. Also let us know the topics you want us to cover. We have skilled resources who can share knowledge with you on demand. So feel free and let us know. And oh yes, hit the bell icon too. We really don't want that you miss our next video.